Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today I am going to talk about tenses. Kind of tenses. There are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. I write this letter to please you. In sentence 1, the verb write refers to present time. Now we know about present tense. Present tense are of four types: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Present indefinite. The simple present is used to express a habitual action. Example: he drinks tea every morning. I get up every day at 5 o'clock. It is also used to express general truth. Example: honey is sweet. The sun rises in the east. Present continuous. The present continuous is used for an action going on at time of speaking. Example: she is singing now. The boys are playing hockey. Present perfect. Present perfect is used to express past actions whose time is not given and not definite. Example: Mr. Hari has been to Japan. Present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous is used for an action which began at some time in the past and is still continuing. Example: he has been sleeping for 5 hours and is still sleeping. They have been playing since 4 o'clock. I wrote the letter in his very presence. In sentence 2, the verb wrote refers to past time. Now we know about past tense. Past tense are of four types: past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Past indefinite. The simple past is used to indicate an action completed in the past. Simple past is also used for past habits. Example: she left school last year. Past continuous. The past continuous is used to denote an action going on at some time in the past. The time of action may be or may be not indicated. Example: it was getting darker. Past perfect. The past perfect describe an action completed before a certain moment in the past. Example: I meet him in New Delhi in 1995. Past perfect continuous. The past perfect continuous is used for an action that began before a certain point in the past and continued up to that time. Example: at that time he had been writing a novel for 2 months. I shall write another letter tomorrow. In sentence 3, the verb shall write refers to future time. Now we know about future tense. Future tense are of also four types: future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Future indefinite. The simple future tense is used to talk about things which we cannot control. Example: we will know our exam result in May. Future continuous. We use the future talk about actions which will be in progress at a time in the future. Example: I suppose it will be raining when we start. Future perfect. The future perfect tense is used to talk about actions that will be completed by a certain future time. Example: he will have left before you go to see him. Future perfect continuous. The future perfect continuous tense is used for an action which will be in progress over a period of time that will end in the future. By next March, we shall have been living here for 4 years. Thanks for watching.